Tonight we're going to be singing a song called Give It To Me by Faith Hill.
Look here.
Would you like to dedicate this song to anybody?
What? Don't work.
Okay. Okay. There you go.
Look here.
I'm gonna. You guys can't hear?
We could.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna wear you down. I'm gonna make you see. I'm gonna give to you. You're gonna give in to me. I'm gonna start a fire. You're gonna feel the heat. I'm gonna burn for you. You're gonna melt for me. Come on, come on into my arms. Come on, give it to me. You're gonna take my hand, whisper the sweetest words, and if you're ever sad, I'll make you laugh, I'll chase your hurt. My heart is set on you. I don't want no one else. And if you don't want me, I guess I'll be all by myself. Come on into my arms. Come on, give it